Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to mirror or flip an image horizontally or vertically without Photoshop or any other heavy editing piece of software. The image that I'm going to be requiring a mirror for is the duck meme, which I'm going to double click on just to show you how it currently looks like. To mirror this image, I'm going to open up my browser and I'm going to navigate to the following URL address, ResizePixel.com/mirror-image. Once you're here, you'll need to upload your image. These are the current formats it accepts: PNG, GIF, JPEG, WebP, TIFF, and BMP. Now my image is a JPEG image, so to upload your image, click on Upload Image, find the image that you want to mirror, so mine's the duck meme, click on it, and then click on Open. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the Modify and Preview Image page. This preview displays a scaled image. On the right, you can see how your image currently looks like. You have two options. You can mirror vertically or mirror horizontally. In my case, I want a horizontal mirror, so I'm simply going to click on the circle next to horizontally, and then click on Mirror. And if we look to the right, that's how the image now looks like when it's horizontally mirrored. If I wanted to mirror it vertically, I just simply click on vertically and then click on mirror, and that's now how it looks like. So I'm going to click on it again as I don't want to mirror it vertically, and that will take us back to how it was when we horizontally flipped it. And then once you're happy with your image, you can simply click on Go to Download and then click on Download Image. The image will then be immediately downloaded to my Downloads folder. I'm going to navigate to the top right hand corner of my Google Chrome browser and I'm going to click on Downloads, and then I'm going to click on the newly downloaded duck meme. And there we go, the duck meme image has now flipped or been mirrored horizontally. So that concludes the video on how to mirror or flip an image horizontally or vertically without using any sophisticated image editing software such as Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?